Hey everybody, and welcome to a very random and different edition of Sleeping Collectibles. I've had a few people reach out to me over the last couple weeks and ask about starting a channel and how did I get monetized in such a short amount of time and what I did to grow my channel essentially in such a short amount of time. I've only had this channel active since the day before Halloween, so it's only been about 5 months for me total, and as of right now I'm just about at 1,600 subscribers, over 60,000 views. It's not doing amazing, but it's doing really well. And I just kind of want to share tips and ideas and my thoughts with you guys about how I got here and what maybe you guys can pull some stuff from what I did to get where you want to go. So, number one, find your niche. And I cannot stress this enough to you guys. I know a lot of you may want to do a variety channel and do 6 different things. You want to talk about toys, you want to talk about wrestling, you want to talk about paintball, you want to talk about ship anchors, you want to talk about the bellies of frogs. That's great. And if you're doing the channel just for you to get your thoughts and hobbies out there, perfect. Do it. That's amazing. I like it. But if you want to try to grow a channel and get a community and really build something, you need to focus on a niche. You need to have an idea of what you want to get across to people. Because if you're doing a variety channel, the people that follow your channel for paintball content are going to completely tune out when you start talking about frog bellies. Not going to be a thing. You're not going to gain that community of subscribers because your videos are going to be so off the wall. You might get some people who are into that, but it's not going to be as fruitful as you think it is. So, number one, find a niche. Number two, I really recommend that you get yourself a logo and a brand idea. Get an idea of what you want. Get yourself a header, get yourself a logo, get yourself a picture and a name. And I know a lot of people are worried about pictures and headers and how do you make them, what do you do. Me personally, I went to Fiverr.com, Fiverr, the website, and I paid somebody for it. It wasn't really that expensive. My entire Sleeping Collectibles logo, which right there, was made for $50 on a Fiverr gig. It took about 4 days. I explained my idea, they made what I wanted. Same with my header, it's just my logo but bigger. Easy peasy. You can go to Fiverr to get tons of things done. You can get theme songs made, you can get headers made, you can get lower thirds made, you can get thumbnails made if you want, but we'll get to that later. Honestly, it's just about finding what you want to do with your channel, finding your brand, finding who you are. My music, my intro, my logo, my header, all Fiverr jobs that I had taken care of for me. Easy peasy. Altogether for everything, I probably have less than $150 in everything. So it's easy, it's doable, do it. Number 3, and this is probably one of the most important steps. If you were wondering when is the best time to make a video, the time is now. It does not matter what your video is about, it does not matter if you have no money, it does not matter if you have no ideas. Just start making videos of something. It's better to get the ball rolling and get out there doing stuff than to not do anything at all. I highly recommend if you're a toy YouTuber like me and you want to start doing toy reviews, you don't need to go buy the newest and best action figure. Go find your favorite action figure. Go find a figure you have laying around that you're really fond of and just do a video on it, because your first video is going to be a learning experience. Your first 50 videos are going to be a learning experience. In fact, go watch my first video. I'm going to link it right here above. And then come back and tell me what you think. Have I changed? Have I grown since that first video 5 months ago? You will, I promise. Just get started, get the ball rolling, and get motivated. That's the most important thing, I think, for starting a YouTube channel. Just to dive in. Number 4, and this one's one that could go either way. I have found a lot of my success from my live streams. You guys may have seen the Fireside Chat and the big get-together we do twice a week, and it works really well for me. And I think you have to decide if you want to be a live stream channel or not. Are you the kind of person that's going to want to go live in front of people and can talk? Or are you going to be a video only person? I think you need to have that in mind when you start your channel, because it's really going to help shape the content you make and how much energy you put into things. Allocating that energy is going to be very important as you get going, because YouTube grind is real and it will wear you down sometimes. Number 5, and this is my personal favorite. This one's the most important thing to me, and that is community. Get out there and make friends. And I'm not saying that you need to be overly friendly with everyone, but you need to go meet people. You need to treat YouTube like a part-time job starting out. If you want to be serious about it, you have to be serious. When I started YouTube, I built all of this. It's not much, it's modest, but I met all of these amazing people by watching their videos and being a part of their community and their bubbles. The easiest thing for me is I would type in the search bar. I would look for search terms that were similar to my own. I'm a toy hunt channel, so I would type in toy hunts, and the video list would come up, and I would shuffle it by release date. I'd go newest videos first, and I would just go down and I'd see for hunts that looked interesting or good, or people that were doing something that I want to do, stuff I could take ideas from and kind of make my own. And I would watch their video and I'd comment. I'd be like, this was an awesome hunt, great work. I really like that Megatron figure. And then you'd start up a conversation. And after you do this a couple times, you develop a rapport. And once you develop a rapport, you start building that bond and that relationship, and you begin to make friends. And that is one of the most important things about YouTube, is making friends. And I would do that for tons of categories. Toy hunts, Marvel Legends, Star Wars Black Series, Masters of the Universe, WWE Elite. I would constantly go to that search bar and look for new channels that were doing things that I enjoyed. And I would watch and make friends and talk. And not everybody you talk to is going to want to subscribe to you. Not everyone you talk to is going to want to be your friend. But you are going to meet a ton of awesome people doing that. And it worked for me. I have met so many amazing people. I have such an awesome community of people around me, and it's because of little proactive steps like that. I highly recommend it to all of you. And number 6, the last step, I think, to becoming a successful monetized YouTuber is working on your thumbnails, tags, and descriptions. They say tags don't matter as much as they used to, but I still put tags in all my videos, and I've found that the videos that rank the highest for tags are usually the videos that get the most views for me. So I always stick with my tags, and I try to keep my description, title, and tags all very concurrent with each other. They'll use similar words. The same words that you find in my tags are words you can find in my description and in my title. That's called SEO, your search engine optimization. If you can build yourself what's the word I'm looking for? If you can build yourself a kind of almost like a resume on your video, make sure you have a strong title that tells exactly what's in the video. Make sure you're including words like review or hunt. Let people know what they're getting into. Description. Lay out your description. What are you doing? What are you looking for? What do you like about it? What other things do you like that are similar to this? Put that in the description, and put those keywords in your tags as well. And for the thumbnail is one of the most important parts about YouTube. What you're going to want to do is find a good picture from that video, or a picture of you after the video with the products. And I use an app called PixArt for this. And all I do is I find a clip from the video of me in front of a store, or me holding a toy, or me doing something, and I save it, I open it in PixArt, and I edit it. I'll put text over it, I'll throw some stickers, and I'm not telling you to be clickbaity with your pictures, but if you throw in an oh my god, or a hidden and some arrows, or something to grab people's eyes, your video will get clicked on a lot more than not. Make sure to use neon colors, make sure to use starburst, make sure to make it visually appeasing to people. It's going to be nothing but beneficial to you. And honestly, those are the 6 steps that helped me get monetized in 4.5 months on YouTube. I started in October, I was monetized on Valentine's Day. I didn't buy any subs, I didn't do anything crazy or weird, everything fell into place. And I think if you guys follow those 6 steps that I've outlined, I think they could fall into place for you too. We have a strong community of great people, and I see you all growing day by day by day. Keep going. Don't give up. I know it's tough. I know it's not easy. Be serious about this. Work at this. It'll come. Anyway, that's what I got right now. That's it for me. I'm getting ready to go to Disney in a couple days. We're packing up. We're getting ready. We're mentally preparing. I'm taking notes. I'm gonna do a live toy hunt in Disney. You know what? I probably won't do a live toy hunt in Disney. I'll do a filmed toy hunt for Disney. We'll do a fireside chat at the hotel while we're in Disney, and then when I come home, we'll go on a couple live streams and we'll talk about it. It'll be amazing. That's all I got for today, guys. You guys take care of each other out there. I'll see you guys real soon. Good night. Sleep tight. I hope all your collecting dreams come true. Later days.